So today we have a leather option for the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Unfortunately, Samsung cases don't get a lot of leather love. Well, this company said no, we're going to continue coming out with a leather case that's going to be really good for the S26 Ultra. And we are taking a look at the Ryan London shell case for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Now, huge shout out to Ryan London for sending these over to me to review for you guys. The price on these cases is $59, but you know I got you with a discount code. Use code Brian to save 10% off of your purchase at Ryan London. So let's go ahead and check it out. So starting off with the box, we get this very classic presentation from Ryan London. Super simple, but it gets the job done. Says Ryan London right here, and you just get a little description of your case, what color it is right there, and it is for the S26 Ultra. So you just go ahead and open this thing up, and you are greeted with just your case right there. And that is it. Very simple, very classy, love it. Nothing too fancy. So let's go ahead and take a look. Now, first things first, soon as you get it out of the box, you can immediately feel that really nice full grain leather on this case. Yes, this is a real full grain leather case. It is vegetable tan leather, but still nonetheless full grain leather. Smells like it and all that. It is a fantastic leather option for the S26 Ultra. So on the back, like I said, that full grain leather, a very nice metal camera area. I do wish it was sectioned off a little bit for your lenses and then the other two right there, but it is what it is. You're going to get this cutout right there. Going on the inside, this very nice, luxurious microfiber material here. You do get a MagSafe and alignment magnet. It does say Ryan London there. And then you're just getting that same beautiful leather going all the way around the inside. And yes, your buttons, I know they are metal, but there is some of that felt lining right there where those buttons are, so you don't have to worry about this scratching up your device. So let's go ahead and bring over our scale and our caliper here. We'll see the weight on this thing, and then we'll put it on our phone. So in grams, we are looking at 41 grams on this case. Then from front to back, we have 12 millimeters. And then inside to outside, we are looking at 2.2 millimeters right there. So a very, very well-weighted, well-sized case. It's not too thick, not too heavy. Feels very, very comfortable in the hand. And of course, it's going to give you that beautiful leather. That's going to give you that really nice patina, whether you use this color or one of the other two, which of course I'll show you guys in a minute. But yes, that leather is one of those options when you're going out to a nice restaurant or you just want to feel a little classy that day, you slap on a good leather case and you're good to go. But for right now, let's go ahead and bring over that S26 Ultra in that beautiful white color. Put it in here. Listen out for that click. Very solid for a leather case. You usually don't get too much of that when it comes to a leather case, but on the Ryan London, you do. Going around the sides, very, very nice. Stiff fit on your bottom, your top, all the way around. Let's listen to those corners. Oh, this one's a little tough. Let's see. 1, okay. 2, 3, and 4. So it is leather, so you're not going to get that like polycarbonate or that TPU style click, but you're getting a very, very good fit when it comes to the Ryan London. And this is what it's going to look like on the back of it. You do have your camera area exposed where you can see the color of your phone, but we are going to look at that camera protection in a second. And then with your screen, you are going to get a little bit of visible edges around the screen of the phone. So if that bothers you, that is something to note. But for me, that is perfectly okay. Let's go ahead and see that screen and camera protection though. So starting off, I am using a full coverage tempered glass screen protector, and you're getting a pretty decent screen lip when it comes to the Ryan London. So you can set this comfortably down on any flat surface, but I would be a little careful with any case on a jagged surface, but you should be good, pretty good amount of screen protection. And then you have a nice ample amount of camera protection. So you can set this down on any surface and you'll be just fine. But don't forget, this is real full grain leather. It's going to give you that patina, whether you get the black, the tan, or the dark brown. It's going to patina. It's going to show your nicks and dings and your scratches. It's going to add that character. This is not vegan leather. It's real leather, so it's definitely going to show all that. So if you do set it down on any surfaces, just be careful. If that bothers you, you will show your scratches, your nicks, and your dings and all of that. But like I said, in my opinion, I think that just builds character to the leather of the case. So taking a look around the sides of it, right? On the top, you have your microphone cut out there. This side, you have nothing but that little Ryan London logo right there. To the bottom, you do have your S Pen cutout, your speaker, your USB Type-C, and your microphone right there, which let's go ahead and bring over a cable here and make sure that we are good to go with the charging. And yeah, plenty of space, so all of your thicker head cables will fit in here with absolutely no issues. And just to make sure, we gotta test out that S Pen. Go ahead and click that, pull it out. You do get a little bit of an area right there where you can put your fingernail in. And let's check for any magnet interference here. So we're just gonna go all the way down the sides, all the way down the screen, I should say, and we are not getting any magnetic interference with the S Pen. So you know, if you buy this case, you will be just fine when it comes to that. And then on the right-hand side, you're going to get your standalone metal buttons on here, and I love how far out they protrude. Makes it a very nice and comfortable click, and you can easily tell which buttons you're clicking. So let's listen to how these sound. Very nice, very clicky buttons when it comes to this case. So B, what do you think about how the Ryan London feels in the hand? How is it? I really like it, guys. It's got a really good fit. Nice metal buttons. At first, they're a tiny bit stiff, but once you work them in, you'll be just fine. Not a pinky destroyer at all. You're getting a good fit on here. I love the feel of the leather. You're getting that real full grain leather, that super luxurious feel. And all around, it's a very solid leather, especially option when it comes to the S26 Ultra. Unfortunately, there's not too many companies that come out with leather cases for Samsung phones, but Ryan London did it, and I think they did a really good job. But let's go ahead and take a look at that MagSafe. So on here, we do have MagSafe and alignment magnets, like I said, so we can attach that. And then you can just go to your Apple MagSafe wallet here, and here's one issue that you're gonna run into, and it's not an issue with the case, it's an issue with the device because of the camera rings. You're going to have a protruding area where you attach your MagSafe accessories, whether it's your wallets or your battery packs. But let's bring over that Apple MagSafe battery pack here. We'll attach that. It will still work and charge, but as you see, it does protrude out a little bit. However, if you do move it a little bit like that, it'll still charge right there. And I show this with a lot of cases where if you want to use a battery pack when you're at your desk or something, I would just turn it a little bit this way. I know it's inconvenient, but at least you'll get a secure connection. And then last but not least, bringing over our Anchor 623, we got to make sure we find the magnets here and attach that. And this is where you're going to run into a little bit of an issue. Now, because of the case, because of the camera bump, how big it is, but they wanted to give you that extra protection right there, some of your MagSafe accessories, like this charger right here, may not connect securely. So that is something to note. Unfortunately, that's just what it is. If Samsung gave us magnets built into it, maybe they could be a little bit lower, and that way all these accessories would fit. But with a case like this, with a pretty big area for your camera protection, that may be a little bit of an issue when it comes to certain cases and certain accessories, as we just saw here. So some of your car mounts and nightstand chargers may work, but others unfortunately may not. So that's just one of those things that you're gonna have to experience. But I know a lot of people with Samsung, you don't really get the magnets built in, so a lot of them just use the USB Type-C port to charge, but that's no excuse. You get some camera protection, but unfortunately some of that does sacrifice a little bit of the MagSafe. But let's go ahead and take a look at some of those colors that this comes in. So like I said, this is going to be that black color. It's also gonna come in this very nice tan. Looks great with the white. It's gonna look really good with all of your other devices. And so does the black, of course, and so will the brown, which let's take a look at that. And here is that brown. So as you guys can see, because it's full grain leather, sometimes they'll come brand new and it'll have a little bit of some of the leather pattern. No leather case, no real leather case is 100% identical. And this just kind of goes to show it. But this will look great on all your other colors as well, especially that beautiful white right there. So that's going to be the Ryan London case, guys. The Ryan London shell case for the S26 Ultra. Let me know what you think about it. I'm a big fan. It feels great. It fits great. Great quality leather. You can really feel all the quality as soon as you take it out. After a couple days, when you first get it out of its packaging, it might be a little bit slippery. Let your finger oils get in a little bit and you'll be good to go. It'll add that grip. It'll give you, start developing that nice patina. The more patina, the better the grip, and it's gonna feel really, really good in the hand. But yeah, guys, let me know what you think about the Ryan London down in the comments below. Make sure you guys like the video and subscribe to the channel. That goes a really long way for me and allows me to make these videos for you. And if you guys wanna see another great case lineup that I've really been enjoying, I'll leave that video right here. But if you wanna see my screen protector that I'm using that I love, that video is gonna be right here.